Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and today we will be doing polygel nails, and this is a very easy, affordable method. So right here I am just pretty much pushing back the cuticles, and here I am just placing on my nail tips. I will have these full cover nail tips listed down below. And by the way guys, this was requested by one of my lovely followers, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. This design was very simple, very beautiful, and anybody could achieve it. So here I'm just grabbing a nail file that I got at the Dollar Tree. This time I wanted to choose more affordable alternatives, just in case you don't feel like using an e-file or you don't own one. You can literally go to the Dollar Tree, it's $1, and just buff the nails out, and it comes out exactly the same way. So here I just do that throughout all the nails. So here I'm using a more affordable alternative, and this is the LA Colors base coat and top coat. So I will be placing this base coat all over my nails, and then I will also be applying it as a top coat once I am done with the nails. And this is literally only $1 at the Dollar Tree, so there is always more affordable alternatives to have beautiful nails that you can create at home. So I am using the Gershion clear polygel, and like I said before, if you guys don't have polygel, you could always just purchase a transparent glittery polish at the Dollar Tree for $1. So here I am just pouring some in. You don't really need a lot of polygel because we're only going to be applying a little bit on each nail. So here I'm just pouring in the polygel, and as you guys can see, I already have set my glitters. And by the way, I literally purchased all these things at the Dollar Tree. It was a pack of like 6 glitters, I believe, for $1. So everything here is from the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty much just applying a little bit of each because I do want the polygel to still be transparent. So here you guys go, and I hope you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much once again for watching. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the first nail. I'm going to apply that base and top from LA Colors, and I'm going to place it all over the nail, and I'm going to use this as a glue for the little hearts that I got. I also purchased that at the Dollar Tree. So that is what I will begin to do, and the reason why I didn't mix it into the glitter is because when I mix it into the glitter, the hearts aren't as transparent or clear on the nail, so I want the hearts to really be able to be visible. So this is what I am doing here, and then I just simply apply the polygel. And always remember, apply a little bit of polygel because you don't want a lot of product oozing out once you apply it onto the nail plate. So after I've cured the nail for a couple seconds, then I just begin the same exact process for all the nails. So now I'll just let you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much once again for all the love and support. To all my subscribers, it means the world to me. You guys definitely motivate me to continue to post videos for you guys. I really appreciate all the love and support once again. Thank you very much.